Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply video effect just for overlay. So first you can select the background, put to the main tray, and you can select overlay and put on top another clip, for example. So select effect that you want to apply to the overlay. Select back, for example. I'm going to select this one, and if you add the effect, you can see it is applying to all the clips. But I'm going to add the effect just for the overlay. How to? You can select the overlay and effect, right click and create component clip, and you can see for the final result like this. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.